Okay, well, we're back and we're trying to rebuild this motor from the 1970s. Prove that the armature's still good, the magnet's good. I even found an extra bushing, which one was missing. So some kind of super slippery plastic, so that should be good. But my initial design was to make these, I guess for lack of a better term, they were supposed to be replacements for brushes. I don't know if you could really see them. And they're kind of like, almost look like little copper flags. And the goal was to put them into the motor housing and let them sweep onto the commutator. But the problem is I didn't really have an ability to put some spring tension in there. And originally I was going to abandon the concept of using actual bushings and springs, and now I've gone back to it. So one is in there already. It's made out of copper. It's held on by a screw on the other side. And that one's holding pretty good. The thought is to use these miniature springs. In fact, it's too long, this spring. I'm going to have to cut it in half and insert this into the copper tube, and then use these tiny little graphite bushes that are from, I believe that's Lima made that. But you know, in trying various little screws to work, here's one of them. Some just weren't the right diameter. When I found the right diameter, for whatever reason, one held, and the hole on this little piece of brass, copper, was just a little bit too loose. So I'm going to put a little bit of solder on that to hold it.